Glow, 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 glow. Glow, 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 glow. Hey guys, it's Coco. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve this freckled yellow disco queen look. And if you want to see how to do this, something like this, just continue watching. Okay, let's start with skincare. This time I didn't apply anything on my skin before, so I'm just gonna do eye cream first. And I'm gonna apply like a pretty thick layer. So it serves as like a mask kind of thing. I'm using this new serum from Algenist. This serum is it's called Barrier Serum. Oh yeah, this eye cream was also from Algenist, Complete Eye Renewal Balm. This is actually like my first time using it. It smells okay. Not super impressed with the smell, I have to be honest. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream all over my face. It's pretty thick, so I don't suggest a lot. Don't forget your neck. Now that we are all moisturized, let's start with makeup. So while I do my eyebrows, I'm gonna talk to you about the inspiration behind this look today. I did this type of hair on one of my previous pictures and videos, and everybody was like, wow, I love your hair and stuff like that. So I was like, why don't I just do that hair again? So I did this hair. And first of all, I don't really wear usually hair this curly. It's kind of feels fun. So I was thinking, why don't I just do a fun makeup look? The palette I'm going to be using has really nice bright colors. I never wear like yellows. Kind of feel like I look like a banana when I wear them. I'm going to use this Guerlain primer. Really feels nice on my skin. We're going to go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless filter. So this is not a foundation, this is like a highlighter slash foundation. It doesn't really have a lot of coverage, but it's good for like those good skin days. I applied it on the high points of my face. I feel like I keep using the same foundations. Let's do something different. Okay, let's not use a foundation. Let's just do concealers. So I have like 5 right here. Let's do KKW first. This is shade number 5, and that's gonna go for any discolorations. I'm gonna use this, let's say, instead of a foundation. So I'm just gonna buff that. And I have my blender right here. I'm just gonna use this shade 4 from KKW under my eyes. I'm blending it over my eyelids also because I wanna have that even base, because all the colors I'm gonna be using are gonna be pretty bright. I wanted to do fake freckles, and they had a really big moment like last year. They're not really having their moment anymore, but I like to do them. So there's a couple different products you can use to achieve this fake freckle look. One is an eyebrow pencil, one is you can use like one of these pomades also for eyebrows, but also you can use something for your contouring or like a brown eyeshadow. So the way I'm gonna do this now is I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Tantour, and I'm gonna use a brush, pointy. I'm gonna dip it in and then just apply like all over my face. And obviously I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. So you need to do this mostly when you're before you set with powder, because if you do it on powder, probably not gonna ache as much. And I always like to do a couple around the lips because I just think it's so cute. And I chose this product for my fake freckles because I like the tone is more like brownie. Brownie. And you see while I'm applying it, I'm kind of like just dabbing like this, so I'm not pointing, letting my hand kind of decide where the freckles are gonna land. The whole idea about fake freckles is that they're not supposed to look perfect. And also, like, I put it on the nose. When I was growing up, I actually had a lot of freckles, and my brother had like a whole face full of freckles and he hated it, but I think it's so cute. I wanted this look to be really glowy, so I think one of the best products for that is this Cover FX enhancer drops. These drops are like insanely glowy. It's super pigmented. Maybe I should have done that before the freckles, but I'll just add more freckles if I feel like I need to. You see how this is like super glowy. Just in the bridge of my nose, just a tiny bit of my chin. While I was applying my highlighter, I feel like I did get rid of some of the freckles, so I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit more. When you're applying a cream product, if you don't set it with powder, it's probably gonna disappear a little bit, so it's always good to set it. I'm going to set my under eye now. I'm gonna use the Mercier translucent setting powder under my eyes and everywhere where I applied the freckles. I'm using the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow, and I want them to be like really bushy. You see how I'm kind of brushing in the opposite direction? So this product has like a color, so sometimes the color is gonna go onto places where I don't really want them, so I just need to make sure to get rid of that. Wow, these brows are like wild. Let's start with my eye makeup. It's gonna be pretty simple actually. Let's jump in the yellow like right away. I'm just gonna dab my finger. Wow, so pigmented. Now I'm going to use palette and use this shade Driftwood. I'm gonna use that shade under my eye. Blend all of that. I feel like this swing needs to be a little darker. Use this Mercier Caviar eye stick color in Tuxedo right next to the lash line. And I'm using this like instead of an eye pencil. And I'm kind of just like blending it with the brown. Let's add a little more. This is a KKW and Mario palette. I'm gonna apply this white right here in the beginning and under my brow bone. Applying mascara. This is the L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. Let me line my lips. This is the Mercier Rosewood, and I'm going for a really light lip look. But I'm lining them just so they look a little bigger, more defined. For my lip color, I'm gonna use this Cargo. It's the shade Tuscany. I was just looking for a nice, really light. And it smells really nice, by the way. I'm not done yet with my skin. I need to add some blush. For my blush, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Clementine. It's really pigmented, so make sure to like really dab it. Sun-kissed this color. And for my bronzer, I'll use this Mercier Soleil. So after all of your like skin shenanigans are done, if you feel like you need to add some more freckles, you can just go use the same product. And that's why I like this, because it's a cream. So if you would use like a brow pencil, you wouldn't be able to like go through, you know, the layers of powder. I don't think this is glowy enough. Using the Jouer Molten Glow, and this is a limited edition, and I like feel so bad for people who didn't get it because it's like insane. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is totally a look I would not usually wear, so let me know if you would wear it and subscribe.